Hello friends. English 100 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Pyara. Infrastructure is the network of power, telecom, ports, airports, roads, civil aviation, railways, and transportation in a country. Its importance in the development of a country cannot be overemphasized. As a matter of fact, infrastructure is the lifeline of the economy of a country. All developed countries have adequate infrastructure so that all the activities are executed efficiently, smoothly, in time. On the other hand, all poor countries have little infrastructure. The plans of these countries target the building of adequate infrastructure to put out their economies on a high growth path. Power is an essential input for economic development and improving the quality of life of people. Development of conventional forms of energy for meeting the growing needs of people is the responsibility of the government. In the pre-independence period, the power supply was mainly in the private sector and that too restricted to the urban areas. With the formation of state electricity boards during the 5-year plans, a significant step was taken in bringing about a systematic growth of power supply for industries all over the country. A number of multi-purpose projects came into being with the setting up of hydrothermal and nuclear power stations. India at present is at the threshold of becoming a developed country. Its economy has been growing at a high GDP growth of over 8% per annum. With the increase in population, the demand for goods and services is increasing every year. The number of dwelling units in big and small cities is increasing. There is more demand for power to run home appliances in these as well as existing units. To meet this ever increasing demand, we need to build a huge power infrastructure. That is why India has entered into a nuclear deal with America, whereby the sole superpower in the world shall provide us with nuclear technology. Nuclear energy will be harnessed to be used for peaceful purposes. The transportation infrastructure includes roads, vehicles, railways, tracks, trains, ports, airports, ships, and vessels. Stop.